Welcome to 1110 Athens Drive in Moss Bluff. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is located on a half-acre lot. The bright foyer with hardwood flooring brings you into the heart of this home. The arched entry leads to the living room. It features a corner fireplace, ceiling fan and hardwood flooring. The foyer also leads to the oversized dining room, which also has hardwood flooring. Next to the dining room is a large galley-style kitchen. It has an abundance of cabinets as well as built-in stainless steel appliances including a double-door refrigerator, a range oven, a microwave oven with a fan hood,